Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to generate and display number of people view product in WooCommerce shop pages, category pages or archive pages using custom code in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in shop page. Now go to category page. So we are going to display number of people view this product by using random number because we are going to generate it. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it, and then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see random number. The random number shown will be between 100 and 15. Each time we refresh shop page, category page, then show different number. Now you see product underscore view, random number generator 100 and 15, 150, and then you see custom message other looking at this product, so you can add number according to your requirement. So you can generate numbers between any two number. Now scroll down, you see insert method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to shop page, refresh the page. Now you see 118 other looking at this product. Now go to category page. Now refresh the page. Again you see 133 other looking at this product. Now go to shop page again, refresh the page again. So this number will be changed. Now you see 145. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.